Hello everyone. Today I will explain how to calculate floor division in Python. As you know, in Python, when we are calculating division, we are getting result in the decimal format, basically in fraction. But you want to get the division in whole number or number format, you can use floor division to calculate this. Okay, let's start. I will explain you both the things in one program. Let's see. This input is in string format and I'm going to convert it into an integer format for number. So here it is. With the help of this line, you can convert. I'm copying this file and pasting it again for the second variable input. Okay, and here is your second number. Usually in other programming language, when we are doing the division, so there is no need to do floor division separately. When we do division, then that result you will get in the integer format without any fraction by using simple one operator, that is your division operator, that is slash basically. But in Python it will give you the fractional result. See, I'm saving this file with the floor division, floor div. Okay, so first you will run, you will see that if I've given 69 over here and 5, 13.8. So is this a floor division? No, I just want to get 13. So how I will get it? I will write print I'm giving a message floor division and then comma num1. You have to write double slash. Double slash is the floor division. Num2. Save this file and execute the code. See, if I'm again writing 69 here and 5, you will see division is 13.8 and floor division is 13. So with the help of floor division, you can get only the integer number. Without any fraction format, you can get your question. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.